Go to the App Store on your phone and search for the Canvas Parent app. It will be the one with the blue circle. The Student app is the one with the red circle. Install that app. When you open the Canvas Parent app, the first thing you're going to need to do is find your school. You're going to tap Find School, and you're going to search for Pattonville, and you want to choose Pattonville Parents. When you choose a Pattonville Parent, if you've already created an account, you will just log in. If you haven't yet created your Pattonville Parent Canvas account, you're going to want to do that now. At the bottom where it says Parent of a Canvas User, that is where you're going to just click Create Account, and you can set up your parent sign up then. After signing into the Canvas Parent app with your account, you are going to be asked to enter a student pairing code. Students will go to their account settings in their Canvas account to generate a pairing code for their parents. That pairing code is only good for 7 days, so enter it as soon as the student generates the code. Once you've added one pairing code, you will see that student's courses. Tap the student name to add another student. You will need to add that student's pairing code. If you tap the hamburger menu in the upper left corner, that is where you can get to your inbox and see any message that you have. You can also manage your students from that screen. You can add another student if you wanted to from this screen, or you can click on a student and actually customize how you receive notifications or alerts for that particular student. When you look at a student course, the first thing you'll see are any grades within that course. Keep in mind, grades are also being put in PowerSchool. If you click on an assignment, you can see the assignment description. You can also click front page if the teacher is using a home page in their course and see anything on that front page. Here's another example course. I'll see the grades. I can click and see the activity. I can go back and go to that front page. And those links will take me to anything in that course. At the bottom, you will see there's a link for a calendar and alerts for that student.